From the quiet streets of Clarkstown in Trelawny, Jamaica, to the halls of one of America's top academic health systems, Dr. Ian Lee Brown has charted an extraordinary journey in healthcare leadership. Recently appointed as Chief Community Health and Social Impact Officer at Duke University Health System, Dr. Brown now leads system-wide efforts to improve community health outcomes and strengthen partnerships that promote long-term well-being. Born and raised in Clarkstown, Dr. Brown's early life was grounded in education and community. He attended Clarkstown Primary School and later William Knibb Memorial High School. After 2 years, he migrated to the United States, continuing his education at Oceana High School in the San Francisco Bay Area, before completing his undergraduate studies at Brooklyn College, New York. His academic journey spans multiple disciplines: a Doctor of Medical and Health Humanities and a Contemplative Professional Graduate Certificate from Drew University, a Master of Science in Applied Behavioral Science from Johns Hopkins Carey Business School, and a Master of Liberal Studies from Lake Forest College. Dr. Brown joined Duke Health in 2022 as the inaugural Vice President for Employee Experience and Belonging. There, he led initiatives focused on workforce well-being, inclusion, and organizational culture. He later served as Interim Associate Vice President for Community Health, guiding strategies that strengthen community engagement and institutional partnerships. In my role, I'm focused on addressing the social drivers of health education, economic mobility, and community capacity to create lasting impact for communities we serve. Now, as Chief Community Health and Social Impact Officer, Dr. Brown oversees a comprehensive, system-wide strategy aimed at improving health outcomes and advancing long-term well-being. Dr. Brown's work has earned national recognition. He was named an influential leader by the Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business in 2022 and recognized as a distinguished Johns Hopkins University alumnus in 2025. His doctoral research on authentic leadership explores how resilience, lived experiences, and belonging shape leadership and institutional change, centering on health equity, community engagement, and dignity. He has maintained strong ties to Jamaica, leading efforts at Duke Health to support Hurricane Melissa relief with donations of personal protective equipment to the Western Regional Health Authority. From Trelawny to North Carolina, Dr. Ian Lee Brown's appointment highlights the global impact of Jamaicans, shaping change in healthcare and community well-being. I am committed to service, leadership, and creating systems that truly improve lives locally and globally. From Trelawny to North Carolina, Dr. Ian Lee Brown's journey is a testament to the power of service, leadership, and creating systems that improve lives locally and globally. I invite you to join us in building healthier communities and making a lasting impact. To stay inspired by stories like Dr. Brown's, don't forget to like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe for more updates on leaders making a difference around the world.